Join me as I take on the challenge of creating my very first LCD project with Arduino and see if I can make it work like magic. Using LCD screens with Arduino is an incredible way to take your projects to the next level. Not only is it super accessible for beginners, but it also opens up a world of possibilities for amazing projects that can really make your creativity shine. One of the most frustrating things about getting started with LCDs and Arduino is dealing with the complexity of wiring and coding. It can be really overwhelming, especially when you're new to the world of electronics and programming. I mean, have you ever looked at an LCD datasheet and thought, what on earth is all this talking about? Or how about trying to troubleshoot a wiring issue that's preventing your LCD from working? It can be a real headache. Another common challenge beginners face is getting the LCD to actually display what you want it to. You might spend hours trying to figure out why your LCD is only showing gibberish or nothing at all. And then there's the coding side of things. Understanding how to communicate with the LCD using Arduino can be a steep learning curve. But don't worry, I'm here to tell you that it's worth persevering. With the right guidance, you can easily overcome these challenges and start creating amazing projects that showcase your skills and creativity. To get started, you'll need a few basic components, including an Arduino board, an LCD screen, and a few necessary libraries. Today, we're going to be using a standard 16:2 LCD screen, which is a great size for beginners. The first step is to connect the LCD to your Arduino. This might seem daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Next, we need to download and install the necessary libraries. For this project, we'll be using the Liquid Crystal library, which makes it super easy to communicate with the LCD. Once you've got the library installed, we can start coding. The first thing we need to do is include the library and define our LCD pins. This tells the Arduino which pins are connected to the LCD, making it easy to send data to the screen. Then, we can start displaying messages and values on the LCD. It's amazing how satisfying it is to see your project come to life like this. Let's take a look at a simple project where we're going to display a message on the LCD. As you can see, it's really easy to read and understand what's going on. And the best part is, you can customize it to display anything you want. From sensor readings to game scores, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we've covered the basic steps to get started with LCDs and Arduino. We've overcome the challenges of wiring and coding, and we've even seen a simple project in action. Remember, the key to success is to take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with LCDs and Arduino in the comments below. If you've got any projects or challenges you're working on, share them with me, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more Arduino tips and tutorials.